Hey guys, James saying, so I want to make a quick video on the problem I had was my blinkers suddenly on my Tesla Model 3, 2023 Tesla Model 3. Suddenly, when I turned the blinkers on, it didn't make any noise. It's kind of hard pressed to find out how to fix it, but what you do is hold down both scroll buttons simultaneously while putting your foot on the brake for 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. All right, so that was for about 6 seconds, and then we'll see how long it takes. I'm not counting down now. We'll see how long it takes to come back on. But after I did that, I could not find a lot of information on Google or YouTube. I did find one. It does this hard reset. You get the Tesla emblem to come back up, and then after that, when I turn on the blinkers, they started making noise again. I like the blinkers to make that audible noise. So, waiting for that screen to come back on. Oh, now the Tesla model emblem came up twice. Let's do the... Hopefully you can hear that. All right, guys, so that was my fix. Hopefully it fixes it. I mean, if you're looking at this video, your blinkers probably don't make a noise. That's how it works for me. Both scroll buttons simultaneously while the foot's on the brake for about 6 seconds. It does a hard reset. I guess that's what it's called. And then the noise, the blinkers made noise. All right, guys, thanks a lot. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. It would help my channel. If you found the information helpful or useful, consider subscribing. And if you do, remember to turn on notifications so that you don't miss when the next video comes out. All right, guys, thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next video.